Hello guys, today we are going to introduce our next product with digital vehicle planner for 2022. So let's start with this planner. This is some kind of design based on some kind of black theme. Let's see. In the planner content page, you can see that in left side you have monthly plan layouts, and then in the middle part you have yearly plan layout and section layouts. And in the bottom part of you have note papers, so you can jot down your notes and everything. And the right side you have some kind of space for the write your special notes for that year. So let's see with one by one. So this is the next page with 2022 month yearly calendar. You can see that in the right side you have the navigation bars, and this is the part where the core navigation part is located, and this is the master navigation. And in each calendar you have in left side you can see that there is weekly dates, so each weekly number is clickable. Once you click on this weekly number, you can go to the each weekly planner. So let's see our monthly tab. So this is these three tabs for the planner content, then your monthly, yearly 2022 calendar, then you have monthly tabs like January, and February, March, April, May, June, July, August, likewise. So in each month you have in this part, this is the personal, work, goal, trivial, finance. This is the major part for your monthly plan. So you can see that each month you have the personal monthly plan layout and the work monthly plan layout, so that you can differentiate your work and life activities on these two different monthly layout planners. And after that you have goal section, goal planner. So you can see that each everyone, and each month you have goal planner, so you can plan your goal and also the priorities and your goals and everything, so you can manage and plan your month ahead. And then end of each month you have review page, so you can review what was happened in your particular month. And finally you have finance page to manage your monthly finance in better way, so you can track your finances and get decisions accordingly. So then let's go to our core navigation part. The first one is the yearly overview part. Then you can manage your yearly to get a clear overview of your year, so you can write down very important things for each month, and as well as top goals and also the bucket list that you want to achieve or buy or go or anywhere, so that you can include them on here. The next one is the goal planner. So you have 10, I have designed in 10 goals page to manage your goals. So this is you write down with the basic goal title, and then you can tap on these arrows in the right side to get in detail goal planning pages. And you can have clickable goal planner pages for each goal. Then what you have is the yearly finance page, so you can track your finance for each month in the year. So in this area is your total in and out and difference, so you can track your monthly balances. Once you click on these months, you can directly go to the each monthly finances. And finally we have saving tracker. So the saving is the most important thing for our financial life. So I think it is very important to track down your savings, that you can save enough to plan your next coming times. So that I think it's very important to track your savings for each month. And also then here you have some kind of this is the quarterly view, and also key dates for each year, so you can write down your key dates, and 2023 overview as well. Let's see the weekly planners. In each month you have this kind of website, the week numbers. You can also click on this each number to get each that relevant week. So let's go to week 15. This is the weekly layout with pages in right side and note section, also the weekly priorities and small calendar for to write down your important dates. This is a weekly and this layout. Also we have schedule layout for week, so you can schedule your times and everything in here in column way to each week. You can go back to planner with this button. And for this weekly notes, it's why we include this big space for the notes. That because this space is to personalize your this planner for your own, because we have more than 100 plus weekly widget stickers, so that you can use these widget stickers to manage and design your planner as very personalized to you. As an example, in editing mode you can I have added some kind of this is this kind of what I call widget stickers to personalize your note section. Also, if you had that some different widget stickers, you can add here and make it to personalized for your needs. So I think with that this is all I want to talk about with this planner. If you have any questions and any customization request or any other thing, just please write down the comments below. And also if you have any concerns regarding the planner, you can also email me. Our email address is down below, so you can check it out with our Etsy shop as well as our website to get further details of these planners. So let's meet you next time. Thank you.